What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. This time, guys, it's gonna be on a pair of Yeezy 380 Aliens that, as you can see, have definitely seen better days. Now, when I first seen these on photos, guys, I was like, this shoe is ugly. But I had to get it in my size to get it dirty because I wanted to try it out. And after wearing them, after seeing them in person, they are definitely like one of my favorites for sure. I just want to know, guys, let me know in the comment section, are you a fan of the 380 Aliens? Let me know. But I am going to be cleaning these up, guys, with Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. But guys, without further ado, let's get bubbly. All right, guys, for this video, I am only going to be cleaning the right side, so I'm going to put the left one down on the floor. Now, as always, guys, the first step is removing the laces. Now that the laces are removed, guys, I am going to go ahead and grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to the size. Since I know what size these are because I wore them, they are a size 12, but they fit like a size 11, so it's going to be about second to the last one up there. Put the shoe tree in. And what that's going to allow me to do, guys, is apply pressure on this toe box and get really deep into those materials. Go ahead and check that out. Next up, grab our bottle of solution here, pour a couple small squirts into our bowl, and then I'm going to begin cleaning the uppers using our soft bristle brush. All right, guys, real quick, one question that we get pretty often on the customer service side is what brush is the best brush to use for knitted materials such as mesh, prime knit, fly knit, and all that stuff. And that is going to be our soft bristle brush. Because it's so fine and like really soft, it's great for these delicate materials where I can apply as much pressure as I want and it's not going to fray or damage it in any which way. Now, however, if there are deep stains, I do go over it with the medium brush, but you'll see if there are some deep stains, I'll either do it like in one direction and not really go in, because if it starts to snag, you definitely don't want to use that brush. But this soft brush right here is primo. All right, guys, I am done hitting up the uppers with the soft bristle brush. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is let the suds just stay on the material, let it break down that dirt. So I'm not gonna wipe it down, but what I am gonna do is move on to the midsole and then the outsole using the medium brush and then the stiff bristle brush. So let's go ahead and move on to that now. All right, guys, let me go ahead and show you what the shoe looks like after I was done hitting out the outsole, the midsole, and the uppers. Now, they look pretty good with just the pre-treatment. However, I know that if I don't put it in the laundry system, the dirt that was on this just seeped into the material is gonna show through once it dries and it's gonna look dingy. So even though it looks super clean right now, I'm still gonna put it in the wash just in case there is some dirt in the inside. Go ahead and flush it out. But go ahead and check that out, guys. Like, I'm super impressed with just the pre-treatment. Like, they look pretty new. Soles are looking good. That boost is looking nice and crispy again. But now the next step, guys, is to grab our laces, dip them into our bowl of solution and water mixture. And then we're just gonna rub them in between our hands, get them nice and clean. All right, guys, now that the laces are pre-treated, it's time to put the shoe in the laundry bag and get it ready for the wash. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the laundry bag, put the shoe in. Gonna go ahead and lock it up. Lock it up on this side as well. What I like to do, guys, is if I have an extra string like this, I like to go ahead and just tie it around the shoe, get the other end, make a knot. Now let's go put these in the wash. All right guys, when you're using the washing machine, you wanna make sure you put the shoe in there like so. You're gonna get your sneaker laundry detergent, loosen the cap, squeeze it to fill up an ounce. Once it hits that line, go ahead and insert the detergent either in your little detergent tray if you have one, or you can put it directly on the shoe. It's not gonna hurt it. Close it up. Go ahead and turn it on. You always wanna make sure you have cold water, normal cycle, and that's it. Let's go ahead and start it up. All right guys, we are back. As you can see, these clean up crazy nice, guys. These look pretty much brand spanking new. Now I know what some of you guys might be thinking, we switched out the shoe. I'm gonna tell you right now, we didn't. I promise you. When the insole is still a little dirty, there's a little bit of dirt in there, but nothing too crazy, guys. We're gonna go ahead and show you a side-by-side comparison of what they look like before and what they look like now. Once again, guys, I was able to achieve these results with Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. But before I go, I need you guys to do me one quick favor. That's leave a comment below on which gamer do you think we should partner with. You heard that right. What gamer do you think Reshoevn8r should partner with? Go ahead and leave me a comment below, guys. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.